I'm having trouble with Python requests to an HTTPS URL. I keep getting SSL errors. How can I solve this?
It sounds like you might be encountering an issue with the SSL certificate verification. One way to handle this is by using the Certifi library, which provides Mozilla's CA bundle that you can reference in your requests. This ensures that you're using up-to-date certificate authorities.
Can you explain what Certifi is?
Sure. Certifi is a Python library that provides an up-to-date collection of root certificates for validating the trustworthiness of SSL certificates while verifying the identity of TLS hosts. It's used by the requests library by default for SSL verification.
How do I use it with requests?
Normally, you don't have to do anything extra because requests uses Certifi by default if it's installed. However, if you encounter SSL errors, you can explicitly point to the Certifi certificate bundle like this. This verify parameter tells requests to use the CA bundle provided by Certifi for SSL verification.
What if I need to update the certificates?
Certifi is regularly updated with a new set of certificates. You can update the Certifi package using pip.
I see. Is Certifi used for anything other than requests?
It can be used with any Python library that supports SSL certificate verification. For instance, you can use it with erlib.
And what about if I want to package my application with a specific set of certificates?
That's a good question. You can include Certifi as a dependency in your package, and then use certifi.where to reference the certificate path in your code. This way, you ensure that your application always uses the certificates you tested it with.
Is there a case where I might not want to use Certifi?
If you're working in a corporate environment with a private CA, you might need to add your CA's certificate to the bundle that Certifi provides. Or you might bypass Certifi and use your own certificate bundle entirely.
Is it safe to use Certifi for sensitive applications?
Certifi is widely trusted and provides the same level of security that your web browser does when making HTTPS connections. It's as safe as the certificates provided by Mozilla.
What happens if Certifi doesn't have the certificate I need?
In that case, you might need to manually specify the path to your custom CA bundle or append your certificates to the bundle that Certifi provides.
This is all great information. How often do I need to update Certifi?
It's a good practice to update Certifi regularly, just as you would keep your web browser up to date. This ensures that you have the most recent root certificates to verify the identity of TLS hosts. Depending on your project's update schedule, you might want to do this as part of your regular maintenance cycle.
Perfect, thank you for the advice. I'll start using Certifi with my requests.
You're welcome. Just remember to keep your dependencies up to date for the best security.